Does mowing regularly really thicken up your lawn? 4.5 weeks ago, I renovated this lawn. 7 weeks ago, I killed it off with Roundup. 4.5 weeks ago, carried out the renovation, scarifying, aerating, overseeding, top dress. So I've been mowing this 6 or 7 times a week, almost every single day. So this was it a week or two ago. Poor in places, to be fair. It really does. And this is what it looks like now. We're at the point where, from a distance, you can't even see the patches now. They are still there, and when you get close to them, they are still there, but they are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. I think it's time we've got to cut on this, get it looking good, and then we'll take a look from there. Oh yeah, we're getting the look. We are getting the look. It is definitely filling in. It is filling in. We're not there yet, but I'd say it's at least 50% better than it was a week and a half, 2 weeks ago, something like that. It's really coming on. I think next couple of weeks this should be pretty much all filled in. So what we're going to do now, we're going to put some more nitrogen down at half rate, get that on, and then we'll continue with regular mowing and keeping up with watering. Okay, so we're aiming for, my lawn does about 4 litres, so we're going to put about 4 litres in, maybe a bit more, and then we can go over it twice in a couple of different directions. So I'll probably aim for about 6 litres. I've got a video coming out anytime now showing this rain point watering system. You can look out for that. What it's actually doing, it's telling me how many litres I'm putting in. So I'm just going to put the nitrogen in at the required dose. So it's saying 1.5, 1.6 litres. We'll wait until it gets up to 4 litres, and then I will measure and make sure it is actually giving 4 litres. Yeah, it's pretty accurate actually. It's saying 3 litres now, and that looks to be about bob on. So what I'm going to do, when we get to this 5 litre mark on the side of the tank here, I'm going to see if it tallies up with this. So actually what I will do, it's nearly at 5 litres now, and it's saying 4.5 on here. So wait till it gets to 5 litres. Right, that's showing at 5.03 litres, and on the side here it is literally just touching the 5 litre mark, so that is bob on. I'm going to put a bit more in so I can go over the lawn a few times. Okay. So the plan is working. The plan is working. We are now giving nutrients. We are feeding with a high nitrogen fertiliser, but we're not going at full strength. We're spoon feeding. We're giving it more often, but less. A smaller, a lighter, weaker dosage. And it's to encourage a bit of growth, but because we're mowing every single day, unless it's raining, it's not allowing the energy to push up, okay? And it's being pushed into the rest of the plant, which is causing it to look lush, fill in, and it won't be much longer before it's all filled in and nice and thick. I predict a couple of weeks and we'll be just about there. So if you've got any questions or comments, please pop them down in the comment section below, and we'll see you guys on the next one. As usual, one of them would be amazing. Please consider subscribing if you want to, but thanks once again. Hope to see you on the next one.